Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open a Sparkas bank account online. First, visit the official Sparkas website. Once you're there, choose the type of account you'd like to open. For example, Jerkonto, which is a standard current account. Next, prepare your documents, including a valid passport or ID, proof of address, and if needed, a residence permit. Then, fill out the online application form with your personal information and submit it. After submission, you'll need to verify your identity, which can usually be done through video ident or post ident verification. Once your identity is confirmed, Sparkas will review your application, which may take a few days. When approved, you'll receive your account details and debit card by mail. Finally, activate your card and set up online banking to start using your new account. And that's it. That's how you open a Sparkas account online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.